How to use the impulse seal function on the Avid Armor A100 Gen 2 vacuum sealer. One of the cool features of this machine is it has an impulse seal function, which allows you to use the sealer as an impulse sealer or continuous sealing bags back to back. So for this demonstration, we've made several bags or bags out of a roll, and we are going to put it in impulse seal mode. We're actually, for this function, we're going to increase the seal time setting to 4 just because it doesn't lock down the lid as much during this impulse seal. So that little extra heat will help seal that bag a little bit better. So all we have to do, go ahead and open the lid, place your bag, make sure it's over the seal wire. We're going to put it into impulse seal mode. You'll see it change to a C. That stands for continuous sealing. And then all we have to do is go ahead and press down that lid. It will start the first seal, and then we'll go ahead and seal back-to-back bags. That first bag is sealed. Now we'll go to the next one. We don't have to press any other buttons. Just go ahead now, put it down again. You'll see it count down. It's a good idea to make sure you press and hold down on that lid to make sure that it is drawing down. And then we can just keep going. You can do as many bags in a row as you need. We'll do one more. There we go. We've made several bags. And then whenever you're finished, to get out of the mode, all you have to do is press the on-off button and it will clear that impulse mode function.